Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I'm going to show you how to use this command convert to sheet metal. So I will draw simple the solid body in SolidWorks, and then I will apply convert to sheet metal command on this part. So see what happens when I will use convert to sheet metal command. All of this solid body will be converted into sheet metal without consuming too much time. So keep watching this video till end. So to use this button convert to sheet metal, we must have some solid body in the SolidWorks. So for that, sketch on front plane and then draw a random sketch by using line command. Press escape button. Now go to features tab and apply extruded bow space command. So at this time I'm not defining this sketch by using smart dimensions, or because I just want to tell you how the convert to sheet metal command works. So that is why I don't need to define this sketch. So extrude this sketch up to 50 millimeter and then go to sheet metal tab, and from here select convert to sheet metal. So first of all we have sheet metal gauges option here, and then in the parameters, first of all you have to select the fixed entity. For that you can select a fixed face. So let's suppose this is our fixed face. So select it and then scroll down. So this is the sheet thickness. So at the moment this is 0.5 mm. So you can select 0.3, and this is the bend radius. So select 1.5 or any of the desired dimension. Then we have bent edges. So click on this box and then manually you have to tell the system that these are our bent edges. So select all the bent edges, then also select these edges, these edges, so these are the bent edges, and then from here scroll down. So the rip edges have been automatically detected by the system. Again scroll down. So in this sketch we don't need rip sketch, or we don't have the rip sketch. So leave this box and then scroll down again. Here is the corner options. So this distance or gap distance. Now press OK button to apply this command. Now you can see here we had converted our solid body into sheet metal by using sheet metal convert to sheet metal button here. So in the left side here you can see we had the feature convert solid one. If you want to edit that feature, just click on this and then edit feature. Again scroll down from here, and then you can select the distance, scroll up, and then press OK button. Now next step is that how do we calculate the development lengths for this sheet metal. For that it is very simple and easy. Just press this button flatten, and here is the total development of the sheet. So make normal to, and so now you can also find the different lengths from here. For that, click on sketch button here and then select smart dimensions. From here select reference dimension and then select till any length that you want to measure. So I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Or thanks for watching and sparing time.